What's up, legend?
Good to meet you.
You too, man.
I'd offer you a deal, but all the good deals are locked out the building.
I don't blame you, bro. You're a legend. Are you cool with me taking out some slabs that I'm interested in?
Yeah. Frank, can we help him grab some slabs?
Mega Low Punny Jigglypuff. That one. You want me to just grab them? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Umbreon and Espeon. This one. And Roaring Moon. Aerodactyl out of here. Charizard and Moltres. The Dragonite and the Espeon VMAX. Yeah, those two next to each other. Slowking, Mew in the corner, and the Rockets Mewtwo. Please. I basically agree with all your market prices, I'd say.
This should be pretty much on.
So what do you say, 95 on this?
Yeah.
110 and 110?
Yeah.
So 220. 6 is cool on that.
Yeah.
170 okay on this, and
Yeah.
180. So 350. 200 and 200, so 400.
Yeah.
What do you have on this one?
Like 240.
Yeah, 240 and 250, so 490.
Yep.
270 and so 270.
285.
We're at 2710 so far.
Yep.
680.
Yep.
We're at 3,390 market.
Wow, what a deal.
Woo!
I love it when Go to Pools pays full sticker for my slabs. It's the best feeling.
Best feeling is when you beat me on a coin flip.
But here's the thing. I've flipped 5 coins this week and lost every one.
Really?
Which means...
I lose like 70% of the time.
It means I'm due.
One of us is due.
That's right. I got this.
You want to do that or a quarter? It doesn't matter to me.
It was a Zard coin. You gotta go Zard coin, bro. Isn't that sick?
What am I thought it was a Xerneas.
Xerneas.
Where's the Zard? I don't know where the Zard is.
Wait a second.
I just see random lines, man.
Oh, there it is. Zard VMAX. See his face?
Oh, okay, yeah, I see it now.
Yeah.
The lines are so squiggly. I'm like,
Yeah.
it kind of does look like, or like Yveltal, sorry. It kind of looks like
Yes.
Yveltal.
Yes. All right, man.
Which would
was
be
our
heads,
total?
what would be tails? Like 33.90 was market.
33.90. Okay. So Zard is head, and then Pokeball is tails.
You want to do like 2,800 3K? That's swinged in your favor, actually.
300, 3K.
Basically, it's like 86,
That's a pretty
87.
solid deal.
Or we can bring it down like 28.50, 29.50. If you want to do a $100 flip, your call.
28.50, 29.50, or 2,800, 3K. I mean, let's send it.
2,800 3K?
2,800, 3K. We're
Okay.
gonna land the coin on the concrete so it can have maximum.
Over here?
Maximum fall. Power.
Which one's heads, which one's tails?
Heads?
Zard's is heads and the Pokemon is tails?
Yep.
Okay,
Go to polls. You have to call it in the air.
let's do it. I'm with Jake, Jarchomp Collectibles. He's a legend. Pleasure meeting you, man. Espeon, Lugia, Umbreon, Charizard, so you can get it too. Aerodactyl, Moltres, Espeon, Tag Team, Mewtwo, and Roaring Moon. This is probably my favorite pickup. The Delta Species Reverse Hollow Dragonite in
That
a
one
10.
hurts the most.
Very rare. I have one up, so I'm adding another one to my collection, basically. Espeon, Mew, and Slowking. Market was around 3,400. We're gonna flip 2,800 or 3K.
That's right. All right.
You throw, Mr. Jake, right here.
Head, call in the air, Arvin.
I'm going tails. It's heads. It's heads.
Let's go, got it. Oh!
Appreciate you, man. 3K. A signed Ronaldinho jersey and a signed Messi jersey. How much is the signed Ronaldinho jersey? 1,000? Is there like an authenticity letter at all? Or?
It's on there.
Get authenticated.
Wow. You guys want to have fun? 900 or 1,000? You'll do it? 900 or 1,000?
But who's flipping it?
You can throw it.
Okay.
Can I call it?
Yes.
Over here?
Yep, absolutely.
All right. Why not? Ronaldinho jersey signed with the frame. I didn't come here for this, but I can't help myself. I'm a Barcelona fan and I love
You have
Ronaldinho.
good taste. Okay, you ready?
All right, let's do it.
It's going up.
All right, so if I call it right.
We got witnesses.
All right, if I call it right,
So wait,
for
tell me what
this Ronaldinho jersey right here.
Are you calling heads or like? Are you calling?
They wanted 1,000. I'm saying 1,000 or 900. If I win, I'm getting it for $900. If I lose, I'm paying
So
$1,000.
if you call whether it's heads or tails.
Yeah, I'll pay. I get it for 900.
But you got to call it way before it
Yeah,
hits.
that's fine,
As soon as
that's
I flip it. You ready?
Ready?
1,
Yeah.
2.
Tails. Tails. Fuck, it's heads. It's heads.
$1,000.
All right, $1,000.
975 because I like it. All right, is that fair?
I appreciate you. 975. Thank you, man.
I'm still gonna give it to you.
Maybe we can do something here, maybe.
I love your outfit.
How much do you love it?
A lot.
Are you willing to give me a deal on a few slabs?
Well, I mean, it's not necessarily
No. Will you give me a deal? I'm interested in a few cards. The Aerodactyl is gonna be my last deal of the day. Aerodactyl. Can I see that, Arceus?
This one?
Yeah. Are you flexible on that one? Or I don't know how accurate the sticker is. Let me double check. Those are pretty close. That one's
They're
like
usually
$250.
not too far off, yeah.
Sweet. The Miriam, Scarlet Violet base. Yeah, that one, please.
Quite like this.
And I think that's basically it. Oh, I'll be right there. Just those three.
Just these three?
Yeah.
Great.
Can I see them real quick? I'd be 400. Is that cool? All right, sweet. You like my Ronaldinho jersey I just bought?
Actually?
Yeah, I bought it. Over there, because I like Ronaldinho.
Are you gonna do what Speed did and rip it out and throw it in it? You know what I'm talking about?
I've never seen that, but
He
I
took
might.
a like that of Ronaldo, not.
Did he?
Yeah, literally. It was like 10K or something like that.
All right, let's do this,
I don't
sir.
have shit, bro.
No, yeah, you do.
Barely.
Lugia,
Okay.
Umbreon, Charizard. You want to take it out real quick?
What numbers are we talking about here?
First, you got to work on your sticker because this is like 340, 350, and not
No,
370.
I sold another one earlier.
Come on, buddy.
Is it actually 340?
Yeah, and this is like 700, by the way.
Yeah, this one's fun. This one's all over the place.
It's a good thing you know it's effed.
I don't know about the Lugia, but.
Zard and
Well, give me one.
no. Yeah, I gotta take them all, bro.
Well, I have no more slabs left.
It's okay. You're printing.
Take the shiny Lugia. Take it. You have to.
No.
What do you mean?
Blastoise. I'm good. Done.
You're good? And then? I'll take it out for you, don't worry.
No, it's okay. I don't want Lugia. I want all tarts.
Fuck me.
You got anything else for me?
No, I don't. I really don't.
Okay, these are my slabs, so don't mix these up.
Do they have my sticker on there?
No, that's a good point.
Dude, no, it's not 340.
Check it.
353, 325, 350,
You just said 325 and 330.
360, 400, 360. There's one comp under 350.
They said if you keep pointing at slabs, they won't tell you to get out. So I'm pointing at slabs. Was that a vendor badge for me?
Yeah, I got an extra.
Hey.
Sorry, I don't have one for you.
It's okay. They can't kick her out because she's with me.
You're right.
You get to be here till 6?
I'm leaving now.
Okay.
I'm not gonna be here till 6.
Where do you live again? You live here.
Diamond Bar.
Okay. Was that like 30 minutes from here?
I just want to go home.
I just want to go home, man.
Yeah, bro, I don't want to be here.
I just want to go home. I don't want to
I would
sell
have
slabs.
left at 3 if they let me leave at 3. But they're too anal about it here.
Okay, 700 market.
Sure. No, 720.
Yeah, this is 285.
720. Yeah, that's 25. That's right.
Nah. 700 plus 285 plus 540. What is it, like 70 bucks?
No, it's actually 80. Pretty sure last sale was
16, 275. It's like 270, but
1800 flat, it's easy. 1880. Oh, the class one.
I just saved you $80 on comps.
They would have seen it. You're scamming me.
80% is 1500.
You could pay 80%.
No, 15, 16. 15, 16
What
flip.
is 16?
What?
16 is 85. I don't want to flip for 80 or 85.
What do you want to flip at? 15, 50, 16. Happy?
No.
Yeah, you are. 15, 50, or 16, that's like 83% or 85%.
16 or 17.
Oh,
Daniel
no.
pays 88. Swear to God.
Well, I'm not
Swear to
Daniel.
God. I didn't let him take that many slabs. He took 2 things from me.
You want what again? Market was 1880. What do you want again?
16 or 17.
I'll do 1550, 1650. You want to throw or do you want me to throw?
It's not enough. I'm flipping for 87. I can sell it at 87 like.
Bro, that's
On the spot.
that's a good deal.
Yeah, not for this.
I
though.
gave you high comps because comps are lower on this.
Well, we comped it at 350.
Yeah, that's high. There's
No, it's
sales as
not.
low as 325.
One sale. You want me? I can show you. All of them are higher than 350.
Okay.
Yeah.
16 or 1650. Are you happy?
16 or 17.
No.
16 or 17. You want to flip for a flip?
16 or 1650.
16 or 1675.
No. 16 or 1650.
Me.
We
It's only
must.
because I like you. Literally only because I like you. Anyone else, fuck you. All right.
You want to do it?
Yeah, flip it. You flip it. I'll call
16 or 1650.
Yeah.
With Pokestop.
it. Yep.
We got 2 Lugias, a Charizard, a Blastoise, 2 more Charizards, and an Umbreon. You want me to throw it?
Yeah. No, I'll call it.
You want to call it?
Yeah.
I'll throw it.
All right.
Right here?
Check.
All right.
Lucky coin. I lost you last time.
1600 or 1650. Ready?
I gotta win this time. Heads.
He says heads. It is tails, 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 tails.
Now we're even. Last time Slip was bigger too. So
Yeah. Thank God it's only like over 30 bucks.
30 bucks.
25 bucks.
Oh yeah, 25,
Swing.
Yeah.
I'm not swinging.
I know.
All
You're not. I am.